If you wonder if you can set video as watch face on Huawei Watch Fit 4, let me quickly show you. First of all, I will quickly show you that right here in my files I have a video which we'd like to set as a watch face. So it is right here, and from here we actually have to go for the Huawei Health and take a look at the devices and my faces. This is the place where we can manage and customize our faces. From here, go into the manage local watch faces, and there select the gallery one, which basically allows us to set a custom picture as the watch face. And right here we have some images. As we press the plus icon, we have the information to select an image, and as we go in there we can only find images, and there is no button or anything to actually add a video as a watch face or anything like this. So as you can see here, we only have this one picture, but I previously showed you that we also have this video right here on the internal storage. So this basically means that you cannot use video as a watch face.